Hi, and welcome to the Excellence El Carmen, which is an adults-only, all-inclusive luxury resort in Dominican Republic. It is located in the Uvero Alto, Punta Cana district. So let's go and look inside.
Okay, welcome home. I'm Richard Rich from Mixer Solutions. Now we're gonna start the party. I got a glass of champagne for you.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Cheers.
Cheers. Salud.
Welcome to the party.
This is nice. During the Christmas period of December 2023, I booked a 6-night stay and had a junior suite pool view, which I'm going to show you around now. So my review. This all-inclusive luxury and modern resort opened in late 2016. It boasts many features such as 12 restaurants, 2 food trucks and 16 bars, with popular amenities such as a spa, fitness center, hair salon and multiple pools throughout the property. A basic feature which I really appreciated was a full-length mirror. Some hotels don't have this, and if they do, it's obstructed by furniture or it's located in a wardrobe. So a thumbs up from me for that initiative. Although I have stayed in many all-inclusive resorts across the globe, this was my first time in an excellent hotel, and overall I would say I was generally content with my stay, but there were a few niggles along the way. So let me start with the negatives. I had some issues with ants in the room, together with a leaking air conditioning vent in the bathroom, but both problems were expedited by the maintenance team. The restaurants were a bit of a hit or a miss, and the breakfast buffet was my least favourite eatery. Although buffets offer a wide selection of cuisine, the problem is keeping the food at the right temperature as it affects the flavour, which is one of my biggest pet hates. If the food is supposed to be served hot, then serve it hot. Having discussed this problem with the manager, I did suggest introducing a microwave, which would give guests the opportunity of heating the food if they so wish. I also found that there was a lack of light during the morning time in the hallway, which could be a health and safety issue, especially if you're taking the stairwell. But again, I addressed that problem with the manager, which they said they would rectify. Putting aside the negatives, there were many positive aspects of this junior suite. My junior suite was very spacious, light, airy, and just had a fresh feel to it. The Excellence El Carmen is 7 years old and the rooms have not dated, with many PowerPoints and USB ports throughout, and the minibar is always fully stocked. So would I recommend this resort hotel? Most certainly. I have stayed at the Royalton for the last 4 years, but was pleasantly surprised by the excellence, and would book this chain again on a future travel destination. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the Dominican Republic. Please do not hesitate if you have any queries or questions on this resort or the island itself. I'm also a seasoned traveller, so if you're seeking any travel advice or tips, just drop me a comment and I will respond to the same. And if you've enjoyed the content, please remember to hit that like button, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.